What's better than a lovely cheesy burger? Well, we're gonna make one today. Let's go. Listen, we believe in simple is the best way to go. So we're doing a beautiful cheeseburger with an apple slaw, with a nice Asian glaze. Come on, let me do this thing. First things first, the burger patty. We're making our own luscious, juicy, with the help with our friends from Cuisine. You see this Cuisine succulent burger mix? Trust me, everything you want, you're getting in this. Is salt, onions, garlic, black pepper, paprika, sugar, tomato powder. You name it, this mix have it. Everything to just make it say, mmm. All right, so let me get to the burger. Our mix. Breadcrumbs. We're starting with our dry good, remember that. Some pepper flakes. Black pepper, salt. Now remember, you already had that in here, so we go in light on this. We add in some soy, a little mustard, and our egg. Yep, and a little sugar. And we're mixing this up to form our patty. Now you're mixing. Don't afraid to get your hands in. Now we do this. Using one hand, get it together, incorporate everything. When everything binds together, we're moving on to forming the patties. Now, listen to this. When you're forming your patties, make sure and watch the size of your bread, because you want a good bread to meat ratio. Remember that. You have 4 nice patties. We put it in the fridge for a little while, probably like a 15 minutes. Let it settle good, and we coming up and start to grill. Stay tuned. So, to top our burger, we have a beautiful Asian glaze. Simple. Some soy, some ketchup, some mustard, some red pepper flakes, a little black pepper, some sugar, and that's it. Quick. Mixing this together, nice. Ooh, smell that. So while our patty's getting ready, we have our glaze. That's it, simple. So, remember we have our apple slaw to make. Again, quick and easy. Our cabbage, our apples, our carrots, and we put in our ingredients. A little black pepper, a little salt, a little sugar, some mustard, and of course, mayo. Mixing everything together. Yes, get in there. Make sure and incorporate everything. So we mix together, we incorporate everything, and when we finish here, we set aside, and we're gonna start to grill. Let's get this burger going. So yes, we have everything ready. It's just to grill this bad boy. Let's go. A little oil in our pan. Get it around. We have our burger patties that we made earlier, right here. Yep. Down in the pan. So yes, we have our burger down now. 3 to 4 minutes on each side and we should be good to go. So now to flip our burger. Lovely. Remember our Asian glaze we made earlier? Some people like to put their sauces after. I like to put them while I'm cooking. You get a lovely caramelization. So yeah, right on the burger. We add our cheese. And I have a little trick for y'all to melt your cheese. You add some water, let the steam come up, and you get a lovely melted cheese. So let's build the burger. I have my lettuce, my apple slaw, and just a little finisher, we have some beautiful purple onions. So yeah, there you have it. Beautiful cheeseburger, apple slaw, nice purple onions. What more you want? So you know what time it is now. Let me taste now, make sure it's just right. So you see how easy that was. Beautiful cheeseburger, melted cheese, nice apple slaw for added crunch. Simple. So as usual, we want to thank our sponsors at Cuisine. Remember to pick up your Cuisine products at Massey stores. You all have a good day, and from eatahfood, bless.